Training first. This is the big, dramatic, expensive one. To train a large AI model, you take an almost unimaginable amount of text and images, a big chunk of the public internet, and you feed it through the model over and over millions of times. Each pass, the model nudges billions of internal numbers a hair in a better direction, slowly getting better at predicting what comes next. It is less like writing a program and more like sanding a sculpture with billions of tiny strokes. And this takes staggering resources. A single training run for a frontier model can occupy tens of thousands of those GPUs, running continuously for weeks or months without stopping. If one chip fails in the middle, which happens constantly at that scale, the whole run can stumble and have to recover. This is the part that costs a fortune in electricity and hardware for one model. When you hear that a new AI model cost hundreds of millions to make, this is where the money went. Months of a 100,000 chip machine grinding